gosh. Oh, look at that little wee guy. Let's see if that's good. It's hot. Oh, that's an everything something. Let's make a bagel.
All right, let's get to work. Don't worry about writing down the recipe. I'm gonna put everything I've used right in the description of this YouTube video. Using about 3 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour.
One of these.
That was 1 heaping tablespoon of baking powder.
Pinch of salt, not a punch. Boom! Mix it. What the hell was that? Oh, oven's ready. When in doubt, throw it out.
I'm using here Greek yogurt, about 1 1/2 cups. Make sure it's good and it's not expired. Start out by stirring, and then I get into the hand kneading to get my nice dough formed. Give that a few good presses, a few good folds, and then once that's pretty much all together, we're going to remove it from the bowl and just finish it off on the board, and just make sure that's firmly pressed together. Please also do me a favor, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, and share it to your friends if you're enjoying the video. Now that the dough's ready, I'll go ahead and divide it. You can choose the size of your bagel or pretzel here. I've decided to divide it into 8 pieces. It's important here when rolling out the dough to roll it out and be very gentle with it. It may slightly come apart, no problems there. Just go ahead and press it together until you've got a nice length on your dough, and then you'll be able to roll it or wrap it into a bagel or fold it into a pretzel, whichever you like. I'm calling these rustic bagels. A nice little twist and a nice little pinch of the ends, and that way I'm on my way to having my rustic bagels ready to go. Here's another option for you. Place our thumb in the center and just gently roll around and seal up all those little cracks. We're almost home to our fresh homemade bagels. Don't need to be perfect. A nice rustic look to your bagels is a-okay. It's all about the flavor and all about the texture. Now, I've got some boiling water here. I'm going to go ahead and drop them in that boiling water. They're only going to be in there for about 30 seconds. Basically, once I've added in a couple, I'm already removing the first 1 or 2 that I've placed in there. Basically, once those bagels float to the top of the water, they're able to be removed. A couple of steps to go here on these homemade bagels. I'm cracking in 1 egg, and I'm going to brush them with my egg wash. This will give that nice sheen and color that we're looking for to finish off the bagels. Here we go. On to the final step of our homemade bagel recipe. You can finish them off any way you'd like. Sesame, everything, salted, it's your choice. I'm gonna do a combination of all 3, but I love that everything bagel seasoning.
Boom!
Here comes those sesame seeds, and that's it. They're ready to go in the oven. Preheated, 400 degrees. It's gonna take about 20-25 minutes, but we'll just check on them to make sure they've got that nice golden brown color. No need to over bake or get them crispy.
Hot, hot. Hotter! Hottest! Oh. You gotta dip it in a mustard. Oh yeah! Boom! I've got salted. I've got sesame, and I've got everything. I don't know how I'm not going to stop eating this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.